Achieving competitive advantage using value chain analysis. There are two types of competitive advantage that can be achieved using value chain analysis. First, cost advantage. This approach is used when organizations try to compete on cost and want to understand the sources of their cost advantage or disadvantage, and what factors drive those costs. To gain cost advantage, one has to go through 5 analysis steps. Step 1. Identify the firm's primary and support activities. Clearly identify and separate all activities that are undertaken to produce goods or services. Examples of the activities are from receiving and storing materials, next marketing, selling and after-sales support. This step requires adequate knowledge of company's operation. Step 2. Establish the relative importance of each activity in the total cost of the product. Total cost of producing a product or service must be broken down and assigned to each activity. Activity-based costing, ABC, is used to calculate cost for each process. Step 3. Identify cost drivers for each activity. Manager can focus on improving the cost by understanding what factors that drive the cost. Different activities will have different cost drivers. For example, costs for labor-intensive activities will be driven by work hours, work speed, work rates, and others. Step 4. Identify links between activities. Cost reduction in one activity may lead to cost reduction in subsequent activities. For example, fewer components in the product design may lead to less faulty parts and lower service costs. But sometimes, cost reduction in one activity also can lead to higher costs of other activity. Step 5. Identify opportunities for reducing costs. When the company notices its inefficient activities and cost drivers, it can plan on how to improve them. For example, too high wage rates can be dealt with by increasing production speed, outsourcing jobs to low-wage countries, or installing more automated processes. Second, differentiation advantage. This approach is used when firms strive to create superior products or services. When a firm competes on differentiation rather than cost, value chain analysis is done differently. This is because the source of differentiation advantage comes from creating superior products, adding more features, and satisfying varying customer needs. These activities result in higher cost structure. To gain differentiation advantage, firms have to undergo 3 analysis steps. Step 1. Identify cost, customers, value creating activities. After identifying all value chain activities, managers have to focus on those activities that contribute the most to creating customer value. For example, Apple products' success not mainly comes from great product features, as other brands like Samsung, Oppo also have high quality offerings too, but from successful marketing activities. Step 2. Evaluate the differentiation strategies for improving customer value. Manager can use the following strategies to increase product differentiation and customer value. Add more product features, focus on customer service and responsiveness, increase customization, offer complementary products. Step 3. Identify the best sustainability differentiation. Superior differentiation and customer value will be the result of many interrelated activities and strategies used. The best combination of them should be used to pursue sustainable differentiation advantage. In conclusion, value chain analysis is very important to identify the company's strengths and weaknesses and determine how they are contributing to competitive advantages. By evaluating firm performance, it will be easy to make comparison with competitors, increase the customer satisfaction, and better efficient flow of stocks.
Created using Powtoon.